Today. Who has the nicest style?
Me!
3, 2, 1.
Who's the tidiest desk?
These two. My desk was never tidy because it's a dumping ground.
Who's always late? Everyone.
I'm consistently late.
I love your honesty.
Who always comes to work late? 3, 2, 1.
And then.
I did this one.
To be honest, I came in early and nobody was here, so I'm sorting it out.
Because unlike you, some of us with kids. Who's the most annoying?
Go. 3, 2, 1.
Who is always up to date with their timetable? 3, 2, 1.
It's not too bad.
I don't know.
Yeah, I've only got one now.
Who's boss's pet?
Oh.
One.
I've got 2 answers.
I've got.
Can I point to 2 people?
Yeah, I want to
Okay.
put it to
Yes, I point to one.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, we're the same.
Who?
It's these two.
These two.
Yeah.
Arabian Day.
That's good for you.
Me.
Who always gets into trouble?
Okay, that's okay.
You don't even need to point. 3, 2, 1.
Who needs
You get into trouble
who
with
needs
the
this contract?
But who always gets
Alright? Who's the most dramatic? 3, 2, 1.
Who always wants a fight? 3, 2, 1.
I asked Minna a maths question, she wanted to step me out.
What's her say? But I know how to forehand.
What did she really know?
Do you want to get off? Keep it cute or keep it new.
Who has the loudest laugh? 3,
2, 1.
Who cleans the most in this building?
3, 2, 1.
Oh, wait, are we going from like. I think 3 people are.
3. Oh no, you as well.
What did you say?
Yeah, nothing I did say. Who is the most savage?
That's a tough one.
Yeah.
I
No, I would say Deus.
Yeah, I got 2.
I got 2.
3, 2, 1. Me and you, sis. We got the same.
Right?
These 2.
7.
You and Dave.
I'm the nicest one. I'm
We
like,
can't be savage, don't you? There's nothing to
but
be
I'm nice.
savage.
I reckon Day and Ellie.
Who's the most sensitive?
Oh, that's easy.
Oh, I think I know the one.
I could pick.
I got 2. 3, 2, 1.
Most is Ellie.
Me and
Everyone's pointing to Ellie.
Yeah, mine's me and Ellie.
Who gives the best advice?
3,
2, 1.
Mine's Auntie and Day. Yeah.
That's it. Oh yeah, my pinky's like this. And then
And
I'm like this.
Who eats the most?
It's the way. 3, 2, 1. That's true, you such you. You do. You're always eating. What are you? The food
Oh, I do. Who is the best company to take to work functions? 3, 2, 1.
Really?
Yes.
Or like, who's the best person to take to meetings?
Wait, serious meetings.
Yeah, Auntie and Day. Auntie and Day. But if you want to have a laugh and whatever.
It's this half.
this one.
This is the serious half, and then this is the take for a cutter.
Alright.
No, I have that for I feel
You are number 1 fight also to these 3.
I'm serious, but I know how to make you like funny.
Who is the best driver?
Safe or best? Like if
Depends
you
on
want to
the
go to a
license.
meeting.
Who would you trust if you could only have one driver out of everyone here? Who would you have? 3, 2, 1.
You put it to me?
Yeah.
Oh, if you want a motor driver.
Who has held a plant while playing a game? 3, 2, 1.
That wasn't me.
into
We're
the
not
rubbish
playing that
bin.
game.
Who lost the lot?
Who's gonna have a fight right now?
Who's gonna get a money? Where do you want it? Now!
Hurry up then.